Understanding hot property in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, hot property. This term is widely used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage can greatly enhance your English skills. Let's dive in. Hot property is an idiomatic expression in English. It refers to a person, object, or place that is currently very popular, in demand, or sought after. This can be due to various reasons like uniqueness, recent success, or trendiness. Originally, it was used mainly in the context of real estate, but now it applies broadly. The term, hot property, has its roots in the real estate industry, where it described a property highly desired by buyers. Over time, its usage expanded. Today, it can describe anything from a popular celebrity to a trending gadget. To fully grasp hot property, let's look at some examples. 1. In entertainment, after her latest movie's success, the actress became hot property in Hollywood. 2. In business, the new smartphone model is hot property in the tech market. 3. In sports, the young athlete is hot property in the football world. Use it to describe popularity and demand. It's often used in informal and conversational settings. Avoid confusing it with literal temperature. It's metaphorical. Understanding related phrases can help deepen your understanding. In demand, widely wanted or needed. The talk of the town, something that everyone is discussing. Flavor of the month, something briefly popular. Hot property is a versatile and colorful phrase in the English language, reflecting popularity and demand. Whether talking about people, products, or trends, knowing this phrase will enrich your English conversations. We hope you found this video helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.